everybody! Let's do you like a peanut and jelly?
Welcome to the Dip Show. Today we're making peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. We have jelly. The jelly is wiggly. Peanut butter, knife, bread, knife.
Start knife. And then it's
First is a jelly. Guys, we have to come back because Keel dropped the spoon.
So could you let us know what you guys are doing?
So I'm putting the jelly on my sandwich. Keela's putting the peanut butter on her sandwich.
Okay. So maybe we need to put the peanut butter on the opposite piece of bread. Like Akila is putting the jelly on the opposite piece of bread.
Oh. Will we're measuring this stuff? Man, we cannot measure peanut butter and jelly.
Okay, guys, you just heard Chef Dip. No measurements with peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Just get your jars, your slices of bread, and your butter knife to spread the peanut butter and jelly. We hope you enjoyed this episode. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to The Dip Show.